Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video, we have learned how to create put REST API in Next.js 14 to update data in MongoDB. Now we are going to learn how to create delete route handler or delete REST API to delete record in MongoDB. For that, it's a simple one. I need to create again a delete type of function like this. I say async, then I say request of next request type like this. Then we have arrow function like that, and I need to use delete also here. Then I need to make this one also const delete. Then I need to make a connection also, so copy of this to make a connection like this. Now I need to fetch also the request from the URL. So in case of delete, I need only ID by which I want to delete this. So for that I say const, I say search params equal to new, I say URL, and I say here request dot URL like this. I need to use this request dot URL like this property. Then search param, with the help of this I need to fetch EID. So I say search param dot get, and I say EID from the URL. On the basis of this I want to delete. So I say const result, I say employee dot delete one, and here I pass the EID. On the basis of this EID I want to delete, and here I say await also. Then if everything is okay, then I say if result is there, then delete like this, delete one, and here I'm passing EID, so I can pass this under this also like this, delete one. If result is there, then I say return, and I say next response dot JSON. I say here message is, I say record deleted, and I say status also, that is one row affected. I say 200 like this, and I make a copy of this like that way. Then I need to move this like this. Here I say else, and here also after this I say this one, and I say record not deleted. If there is some error, then record is not deleted, otherwise record deleted, and record is deleted. 200 is there information. I think everything is done. If everything is okay, then record would be deleted, otherwise not, so we have to check it. So I need to use delete here, and here I need to pass parameter. I say EID, so equal to that one. So this, there are 6 record is there, so first of all I say delete 6 1. I fetch this, and if it's display record deleted, you see record deleted is there, so we can check get, and I remove this one, and I send this and check this 6 ID is not available. If I want to delete 1, so again I say delete, and I say EID equal to 5 and send it, and you will see that again it will say record deleted. So you can check here also that record 5 is deleted, only 4 records are available. You see 4 3 2 4, 5 is not available. You can see here also, if I refresh this, we will see that only ID number 1 2 3 4 is available, 5 6 not available, so they have been deleted. So you see that how easy it is to use MongoDB as a backend database in Next.js. And we are creating here the delete route handler, or we can say delete REST API also, to delete a record in MongoDB. So if you learned something from this video, please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.